Today we're going to bring two PLA, and these are 1.75. Now these are different colors, and I want to open it up so you guys can see how beautiful it is. When you get them on the box, they come very sealed, very beautiful. Now these are ready for your bamboo lamps because these are actual plastic. They're not cardboard, well made PLA, and they have two different colors. So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to show you exactly what we're going to do, and we're going to print them out. So let me show you what we're going to do.
Here you guys go. We're printing out on our Max. Largest print we have done for a while, so it's coming out good. Alright, this Lord of the Ring took about one complete full filament PLA, but the beautiful colors, look at this. I'm hoping I'm gonna finish it. If not, we have our backup here just in case we have to throw some more, but look at this. Looks fantastic right now. We're at 91%, and the last part's coming up already. I can see that it filled up the top already. If you guys can see that, fill the top. So we just need the face. We're down to the finish line. We need about one more peak and we should be doing. I'm really excited to see the finish on it. Look how it looks. One color. Beautiful. Looks like almost like an emerald or something. Look how beautiful it looks. All right, it's been about 20 minutes, so let's go ahead and remove the whole thing off. Let's see how it comes off. It's a little hard, so we might have to. Whoa, this thing's heavy. Woo. But look at this. It just came off easily as soon as I bend it. Beautiful. Let's take off all the supports and see how it looks underneath. All right, look at the filament. Beautiful details, and this is the final. Look at this. It's dark where the lighting changes like blue on one side, but if you switch it around, red. Awesome. And I printed both of them, but I ran out of filament on the other one. But I'm gonna show you guys. I printed. The only reason I ran out of this one is because I printed a lot more things in there. But look at this. The blue came out even better. I love this part right here. It shines. Hopefully you guys can see it good. I'm trying to get some lighting on you guys so you guys can see a little bit better. But I did end up getting both of them together. I printed them all out and they came out really good. I printed them out actually on my 3D Max, on the Cobra Max, the old 2, the 2 version. It came out flawless. I mean, look at this detail. Everything came out beautiful.